Hello everyone, welcome back to the online classes of St. Thomas High School, Standard 3rd, subject Maths. So after unit test, let's continue with this chapter number 11, Jugs and Mugs. So open your textbook. So in your textbook, in the last video we have seen till here you can see page number 156. So now open page number 157 in your textbook. Whose jug holds more? What are Naima and Jitu doing? You can see here, if Naima pours one glass of water in her jug, it looks like this. So you can see here this jug. So this is Naima's jug. And if Naima pours one glass of water in her jug, it look like this. You can see here. So Naima thinks she will have to pour around 3 glasses of water to fill the jug. What do you think? So yes, Naima is correct. So you can write here in your textbook, yes, Naima is correct. Because here you can see, if she will pour one glass of water in her jug, it look like this. Then 2 glasses, then 3 glasses. So around 3 glasses of water to fill this jug. If Jitu pours one glass of water in his jug, it look like this. So you can see here, this Jitu's jug. If Jitu pour one glass of water in his jug, it look like this. You can see here. Now, whose jug holds more water? Now you can see here, Jitu's jug, Naima's. So you can see, Jitu's jug will hold more water. So you can write here, Jitu's jug will hold more water. Then, how many glasses of water do you think Jitu should pour to fill his jug? You can see here, this Jitu's jug. Now think, how many glasses of water do you think that Jitu should pour to fill his jug? You can see here, if she will pour one glass, so it will look like this. Then 2, 3 and 4. So, 4 glasses of water Jitu should pour to fill his jug. So you can write here 4 glasses of water. Then if Jitu pours one more glass of water in his jug, will be around full या half. So here, if Jitu pours one more glass of water in his jug, so it will around half. So you can write here half. So this answer you have to write in your textbook. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Page number 158 in your textbook. Filling pots. Nasim and Abdul had to fill their pots each with water. Both pots were equally big and heavy. You can see here these pots. So these pots were equally big and heavy. So they went to the tap again and again, filled their own bottles and poured water into the pots. So you can see here Nasim and Abdul. Nasim had to fill her bottle 16 times from the tap, but Abdul had to fill his bottle only 8 times. Why? You can see here this bottle, Nasim and Abdul's. So you can see here this size of bottle. Why did Nasim go more times than Abdul? So Nasim had go more times than Abdul because her bottle is smaller than Abdul's bottle. So you can see here, this one big and this one is small. So she had to go more times than Abdul. Nasim's bottle can hold dash twice, half या 3 times as much water as Abdul's bottle. So here you can see Nasim had to fill her bottle 16 times from tap, but Abdul had to fill his bottle only 8 times. So half as much water as Abdul's bottle. You know 8 2s are 16. So half. So this answer you can write in your textbook. Okay. Then how many glasses? Pot B holds 11 glassfuls of water. You can see here this pot and this pot. So pot B holds 11 glassfuls of water. A holds twice as much water as pot B. That means double of pot B. So how many glasses of water are needed to fill pot A? So pot B holds 11. So twice, that means double. So 11 is double. So you can add 11 plus 11 is equal to 22. You can also multiply 11 multiply by 22 glasses needed to fill pot A. Okay. So till here you have to write this answer in your textbook only. No need to write in your fair book. So this one we will see in the next video. Okay. Thank you.